Hello everyone, today I am testing an interesting tool called Hitem3D. Hitem3D can generate a fully textured 3D model from a single image, and their new update focuses on improving texture quality, so the results are more usable in real production workflows. In this video, I'll test it in a simple 3D Studio Max pipeline, and we will go from image to generate 3D model and then final render. Hitem3D is a tool that converts images into 3D models. One of the interesting things about the latest version is that it tries to generate textures even for areas that are not visible in the original image. This makes the results more usable for rendering, concept work, and general 3D workflows. Okay, let's start our first test. For this test, I'll use an object that includes multiple materials like wood and fabric. This kind of object is a good test because it contains complex shapes and areas that aren't visible in the original image. That will help us see how well the generated model handles both geometry and textures. First, I'll upload the image into Hitem3D. The tool processes the image and generates a 3D model based on it. I'm using one of the height resolution generation options to get better geometry and texture results. After a short processing time, our model is ready. Now let's inspect the generated model. It looks really great. One thing I want to check is how well the tool handles areas that aren't visible in the source image. Interestingly, those areas are actually filled in quite well. This is very important if you want to use the model in rendering or visualization workflows. Another thing worth checking is how the materials look. Instead of simply copying colors from the image, the tool tries to interpret the material type. In many cases, the material looks surprisingly usable for quick concept assets. Another useful feature is automatic delighting. If the original image contains strong shadows or lighting, the system tries to remove those and generate a more natural base texture. Okay, now let's import our first 3D model. I open 3D Studio Max and then File, Import and Import. Let's find our FBX file, Hitem3D White Armchair. I simply click Open and click OK. Our model is ready to go. As you can see, all the textures and the materials are applied. Let's create a simple flow. And apply a material to it. I'll add a simply HDRI image for the lighting. To do that, I open my material editor and then find my HDRI image and I put it to the environment slot for the base lighting. Let's hit render and see the results. Okay, now it looks really great, but we need to make some little adjustments on the material. I changed the physical material to Corona material. Let's render again. As you can see, our model looks fantastic. It's amazing to get this result from a single image. Now let's create 2 more models. If you'd like to try Hitem3D yourself, I'll leave the tool link and the generated model link in the description below. I'm curious what you think about tools like this and how they might fit into modern 3D workflows. Please like the video, and I wanna see your comments in the comment section below. See you in the next video.